Guys, don't joke with this update. All right, as you can see, look at this update. Don't joke with it. This is a free way to make money on Naira. People have been cashing out big on this update. Okay, as you can see, this update, once you have up to 5,000 coin on this platform, you'll be rewarded in form of gift card. You can see gift card, you can see Adidas gift card. Once you have 5,000 points, you have 50 euro. All right, 50 euro is a lot of money, around 85 to 90,000 naira. Okay, so you see this, we have 50, and to make this point is very easy. Amazon gift card. Okay, I've shown you how to convert your Amazon gift card or any gift card to Naira. Okay, so once you have your gift card, if you don't know how to do it, just message me, send message to me on WhatsApp or join any of my group. I will have dropped the steps on how to convert. This is Google Play gift card. Okay, so it's very easy to do. All right, so let's dive into this way. I just joined this thing today. All right, so this is my account, 150 points. Okay, just by registration. So I have 4,850 points to go. Okay, and there are a lot of surveys you can fill daily. Can you see this survey now? 1 minute. Okay, a lot of surveys you can fill there. So please make sure you have an active email. All right, let me show you how to get started on this website where to take you to accept all cookies. All right, so now if you type Nigeria, I cannot see Nigeria here. All right, it's not open up to Nigeria. This is what we do. Okay, just type United Kingdom English. Now, as I was saying, you have to use a VPN to make this easy for you. We don't have Nigeria here, but you are going to use United Kingdom. So before you do that, just go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Just go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. Search for Winscribe. And if you don't get it on Play Store, I will drop the link for you to register. Search on Winscribe Play Store. Check for Winscribe. Okay, I've used it, I've tested it. There are others you can use. Okay, but I recommend Winscribe for you guys. Okay, check on this Winscribe. Can you see Winscribe install? Just open. You connect to United Kingdom or to any country. I will advise United Kingdom. Okay, once you have done that, you come back and continue your. So once you have clicked that United States, so you come here, it take you to the next. So you click on next. Okay, you have to answer some things for you to get started. Don't forget, I've told you to on that Winscribe. Make sure it is on. All right, it will be easy for you. I don't even know if I on my own. Okay, drop your date of birth, anything. Okay, let's just drop something. Let's drop something. Okay, click on next. Can you see your point is increasing? Okay, female, click on next. Postcode. Now for this postcode, okay, this is what I will ask you to do. Go to Google. Just go to Google, pick anything, go to Google, just type United, or just say UK postcode. All right, so you have a lot of postcode here. Just pick any. Postcode is usually 6. Let me pick this one. Pick this. Pick it. Okay, come back. Supply the postcode. In next, make sure you have an active email. Which email can I use? Because they will send something to tell your email. Use an active email. Why are you not clicking now? So use an active email. Okay, press next. So they ask you to go and confirm your code has been sent to your email. Okay, just go to your email straight for that code. Let me go to my email for the code. Go to your email. Once you answer those questions, okay, you immediately get now 50 points. All right, so go to your account. So once you get to your account, you have created your account successfully. Agree. All right, so you have your 50 points. All right, these are the surveys. You have your 50 points. Now listen, this is the first thing you need to do. Okay, just put any name, any nickname. Put any nickname there. Once you put any nickname, okay, so you can easily. Now this is the first thing you need to do. You need to do something to earn your first 100 points. Okay, research survey. Okay, this one will give you your first 100 points. Let me see. Okay, let's do this one. Let's see what is inside this one to get your first 100 points. Okay, all right. For getting involved, blah blah blah. If you take your source, just be pressing this arrow. It will take you to the next question. Just answer the question any way you like. Okay, it is sure. Okay, someone recommend you, blah blah blah. Just pick any answer. Okay, just pick it, continue like that. That's how you get your points. Okay, so immediately you finish it, you get your points, and once you get your points, we take you back to this place. So you'll be checking your email, okay, for different surveys. After you have completed these surveys here, you can easily check your here for your, okay, for your survey. Always make sure that your email is active to know your survey time. Okay, do the necessary things. Okay, your personal settings, do your settings. Okay, once it is time, once your point has ripe, okay, it will show here. All right, see reward, it will surely show here. Once you reach, you can just redeem it. They will send it to your email. When they send it to your email, just update me that your gift card is ready, and straight 85 to 90 based on the euro level. All right, you have your just by answering survey questions. So a lot of surveys there. Answer all surveys you can answer. Okay, that's how we make money from this website, guys. So don't forget, if you are coming across this website for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Don't forget, our giveaway is tomorrow. That's my birthday date. Okay, 50 gig giveaway is on ground for everybody every month. Okay, so click on the link and join this giveaway link and come and chop this money. Okay, all right, see you guys in my next video.